Hi,
Hi, kamusta?
I'm good. I'm sick.
You're what?
I'm sick. Can you hear me?
Yeah, here naman.
Nagtampo, umiinom ka raw. No, I didn't drink. I've been sick, guys.
Kailan ka pa nalagnat?
Hmm? No, I don't have lagnat. I have really bad allergies, and then I have a sty growing in my eye, so that's why it's hard to look at the screen properly.
Really?
Yeah.
Pero, ano nararamdaman mo na? Like,
Medyo drowsy, but I'm okay. Tsaka I wanted to live saglit lang kasi I promised everyone
kailan nakainom ka na ng gamot?
Hmm?
Nakainom ka na ng gamot?
I did.
Yan siguro nagagawa ng 3 araw na pag-inom ng sunod-sunod.
Yeah.
At least naging masaya ka, diba?
Anyway, what were you doing kanina?
Pero legit, 3 days kang nag-inom talaga?
Days, I swear. That's why I think I'm really tired and feeling all the consequences of it.
Yeah. I think you should face the consequences. 3 days kang hindi na gano'n eh. 3 days kang hindi na mahingay yung liver mo eh.
Okay, sorry na.
Bakit? Ba't ka nag-sorry?
Wala lang. Galit ka eh.
No. As long as na nag-enjoy ka,
I did.
as long as na nag-enjoy ka, that's what really matters.
Anyway, sige mag-solo live ka na. I'm gonna end na yun. I just want to tell everyone na...
Mag-end ka na?
Yeah, actually, I was just gonna live and say hi. Tapos nag-join si Bea, so medyo I was kind of tagal kanina. We
Like,
talked for a bit.
no. Like, can you do it like mga 2 para sabay na tayo mag-end?
2? Okay. But guys, I'm just saying, it's hard for me to look at the screen na kasi if I do that, it hurts. Thank you.
Para naman kahit pa paano, makausap mo naman sila kasi ilang beses ka nang di nakapag-live.
I know, I think like 5 days na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ako kanina na-allergy din ako eh. As in, before ako,
Uy! Daniel, thank you. Thank you. Sorry, continue. Reason.
din na ano din ako ito? Nagkaroon din ako na allergy kanina.
Galit ka daw sa akin.
Daniel, thank you! Ano daw?
Galit ka daw sa akin.
Oh, I'm not mad. I'm just
Mad ka kanina, guys. Thank you, Reina. Thank you, Reina Mamerge Ed. Erkine, thank you guys. I love you so much. Deserve ko daw. Sabi mo, deserve ko maging sick. Grabe ka.
Wait, I think you should quit muna sa drinking.
No, guys, can I just be honest? I really don't drink a lot. It's just that I've been working really hard. Like, lagi ako nasa live. I've been making content for you guys, working hard. So sabi ko, maybe I'll just take a weekend to, chill lang. But I'm usually not like that. Kaya I'm just recovering and then babawi talaga ako starting tomorrow.
Yun nga eh, kailangan mong bumawi sa kanila kasi sobrang tagal mong nawala. Like legit, tagal mong nawala. Nanginginig ako, ewan kung bakit. Lamig kasi.
I'm laughing at the comments.
Ayun, so, kamusta ka naman? Like, kahapon, kanina, how's your day?
I'm good. Wait lang, natawa ako sa comments.
Ay,
Dinadamay mo daw sila.
ah?
Wala.
How's your day?
Wala.
How's your day?
My day's good. I woke up, I felt sick. So I went out to eat with my friends and then I got
Who's with
I
you
felt
now?
more. My friends, they're in the other room. They can't hear me naman, but yeah. They came over to give me meds and cook food,
At least may kasama ka dun kahit pa.
No, I saw you were live with sila Vix and Christian kanina.
Ano na?
I saw you were live with Vix and Christian kanina. Or I didn't watch.
You didn't watch kahit nakita kita?
I watched like super saglit lang. Wow.
Pero sinabi mo you didn't watch.
I mean, like I didn't stay
Pero
for a long
nag-watch ka?
time.
Oo, hindi.
Edit lang.
Oo, hindi. Nag-watch ka, oo, hindi.
I did. Why are you
Bakit?
interrogating me?
Oo, hindi.
I did.
Oo, hindi.
I did. Oo, I did.
Oh.
Or like super fast lang, so I don't know. So I'm asking you, how was it?
Then, is it QD? Hi, QD, I miss you so much.
Hi, QD.
We're making tampo na. Daniel, thank you. Thank you.
Tampo daw si QD sa akin.
Yeah, we're making
Live,
tampo.
Sabi niya, I'm making tampo sa'yo, bro. Sabi ko, why are you making tampo? What did I do?
Ikaw minsan, like, kailangan mo din, you know what? You should take care of yourself. Like,
Look what I did. I got a new flask. Got new colors. Cute siya, diba?
diba di pinansin yung sinabi ko?
Ba't may comment dito, Sai Martinez Galliano? Ano ba yan?
What?
Yeah. Dami comment dito, Sai Martinez Galliano.
Parents ko kasi sila Vince, tsaka si Christian. I think you should meet them soon.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end the live now, guys. Good night, I'm sleepy.
Pero kung hindi
It's
mo
yung sermon kanina. Ano ba yung sermon na yan?
ano?
Wait, ba't may sermon ka kanina?
Ano da?
5 minutes sermon ni Sai kanina. Tapos sermonan sila. About what?
About, them not taking care of themselves. Like,
Them? Bakit? They're not taking care of themselves ba?
yeah. Including you, actually.
So kaya they're saying, dinadamay mo sila because it's just about me.
No, it's for everyone. For everyone.
Ano ba ginagawa ng viewers mo? Di know si Julie ba?
Kasi like si Nico Chu, tsaka si Shane Yu. Oh. Recently, nagkakasakit na din sila agad.
Kaya daw yung... okay guys, gets ko na kayo.
Whatever, bro. Whatever.
Sino wallpaper mo? Taylor Swift yung wallpaper ko. Bakit?
Ay, sabi nila ako the wallpaper mo kanina.
I'm feeling mo, you know what? You always think so many things. Stop thinking.
Legit, ako the wallpaper mo kanina, sabi nila.
The Lulu. Guys, grabe si Sino.
So, I am being the Lulu now.
The Lulu talaga.
I'm the one who's being the Lulu now, right?
Yeah, always naman. Gaslight.
Okay.
What's gaslighting? I don't do that.
You sure you don't do that?
No, what's gaslighting? Do you even know the meaning of gaslighting?
Yeah, we have here gaslighting. LPG. Why?
It's not even funny. Why did I laugh? Moises.
Why?
Wala. LPG ang puta. That must the most sense. Guys, yung wallpaper ko talaga is Taylor Swift.
I don't
I
think.
swear.
I just
How can I show it ba? How can I make pakita na yun? Miss ka daw niya. I know, sobrang halata eh.
ang feeling.
Di naman siya pa-mysterious. Sobrang halata diba guys?
Whatever, ang feeling mo. Ganyan ba nagagawa ng sakit sa'yo? Nagiging feeling ka na din?
Ako yung delulu.
Yeah. Alam mo kung ganyan yung nagiging cause sa'yo ng sakit mo, sana lagi ka na lang may sakit.
Ew, bro. What the fuck?
Why?
Guys, I'm gonna end na.
Wait. Why?
Well, nag-rant lagi si Kuya Sai sa viewers niya. Yeah. Gets ko na sa yung ginagawa ni Sai. It's just that, ganyan talaga pag may na-miss. Kaya hayaan yun na siya. Ganyan talaga.
Really?
Gets ko na guys. Don't worry, gets ko na. Thank you for telling me. Thank you. Sobrang obvious na.
Yeah. Kailangan pa nilang sabihin para lang maramdaman mo.
What the fuck?
Bakit bro?
I'm sleepy na guys. I gotta go to bed. Ayoko na, hina-hot seat ni Sai ko dito.
Why? I'm telling the truth.
Okay, guys.
May kailangan pa nila sabihin para malaman mo.
I'm sleepy na.
I'm gonna end like mga 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Pag solo live ka muna, I'm gonna make chika with my viewers muna para I know everything you're doing while I'm not live. Kasi guys, diba kailangan natin ng catch-up time muna na tayo lang, diba guys? Kasi they have to tell me things. Feel ko I'm missing out on a lot of info.
Bakit di mo sa akin sabihin at tanungin? Ba't sa kanila pa?
Wala, I feel like di mo kayang aminin eh.
Ha?
Wala. Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Ganda.
Bye, bro.
Bye.
Ah. Sige na, make chika na para lahat malaman mo. Para hindi ka na magtanong sa akin next time.
Okay, kaya disconnect na.
You first.
You for... Yeah! Gagawin natin yun.
Oh my God, your phone...
My table fell. Wait. Guys, wait lang. My light turned off.
What happened?
Okay, now we're good.
Uy, nag-invite si Vrix tsaka si Christian.
Hala, ayoko. I'm gonna end na. I don't have energy talaga to live with them. I am so tired. I just wanted to say hi saglit lang naman to everyone. Pero mag-live
Okay,
ko
then.
with them, go.
You wanna say to everyone? You wanna say hi to everyone?
Sa viewers.
Ha?
Sa viewers.
And say hi to me.
Ha?
And say hi to me.
I said hi. Kanina pa. Hi.
Okay.
Guys, I'll go na. I'm really tired. And magla-live si Sai and si Rick
No, I think I-
Christian pa.
Hindi na rin ako mag-live. Siguro mag-end na rin ako mga 2. Okay.
Okay.
Sige na, talk to your viewers now while I'm here.
Okay. Sure, I feel like I've been talking to them kanina eh.
Hindi daw? Sige na.
Oh, yeah. Ikaw, what time are you gonna end? You can end now. Because I can end first, so then I can tambay sa live mo. Because I'm really tired na eh.
O, sige na.
Oh, sige. Bye guys. I will live bukas, promise. I will live na talaga. Okay. Bye.
Well, get well soon, please.
Yes.
Bye.
We end. Bye guys.
Hindi legit ang init talaga. Kailangan tapangan, okay? Kasi parang ang tapang din eh. Di ko na naman maano to. Di ko maano. Nawala na naman yung comments niya. Hindi, baka super ano lang talaga. Baka super grabe yung pagod niya din. Like, for the past days. Grabe yung pagod niya. Nawala na naman yung ano. Nawala na naman yung... Ang hilig mawala nung ano. Ayun, nandyan na. Nandyan na. Sobrang ano yon, baka sobrang pagod lang talaga. Kita naman sa face eh, and sa salita eh. Baka super pagod na din. Right? Right.